Hari Om. In this PPT, I have included my yoga research papers published in the international journals and yoga research papers presented in the UGC supported national seminars, workshops organized, and thesis guided. Om Sri Gurave Namaha. My Guruji Paramahamsa Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati of Bihar School of Yoga. So these are the details of the articles published in international journals. The first is effect of adaptive yoga module on psychomotor abilities among elderly men living in old age home, and it is published in the International Journal of Recent Research and Applied Studies on 20th October 2015. The second is effect of integrated yoga module on somatic, cognitive and affective anxiety among elderly men living in old age home. It is the same journal dated 1st November 2015. So this is the abstract of the paper published in the international journal. Effect of adaptive yoga module on psychomotor abilities among elderly men living in old age home. And this is the second paper published in the international journal. Effect of integrated yoga module on somatic, cognitive and affective anxiety among elderly men living in old age homes. And these are the papers presented and published in National Journal UGC supported seminars. So the title of paper, Yoga for Health and Wellness. It is K. Sahib Training College, Karimbam Taliparamba, Kannur. Second is Role of Yoga in Fitness for Life. It is MES College, Mampad, Malappuram, Kerala. Then recent trends in philosophy. It is at Government Brennan College, Talsheri. And fourth is Yoga Nidra, an excellent relaxation technique. It is in the School of Physical Education and Sports Sciences, Kannur University. Fifth, Yoga Therapy for Wellness. It is a 3-day global congress on yoga, Ayurveda and wellness organized by Universal Yoga Consciousness, Trivandrum. The health benefits of yoga is presented in K. Sahib Training College, Karimbam, Taliparamba. And seventh is effect of integrated yoga module on psychomotor variables of elderly men. It is in the 6th Annual Research Congress, Karpagam University. Impact of yogic diet on management of lifestyle disease. So it is presented at University of Kerala, Trivandrum. 9th one, effect of adaptive yoga program on selected physiological variables among elderly men living in the old age homes. This is in the 7th Annual Research Congress, Karpagam University. 10th, yoga back to our natural rhythms. It is presented at Maharaja College, Ernakulam. And 11th is yoga for life. It is presented at MG University, Kottayam. And yoga as an adjunctive treatment for dementia. This paper was also presented at Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam. And yoga for all for health promotion. This is also presented at Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam. The efficiency of sattvic diet and core yoga postures for better sports performance. So it is presented to School of Physical Education and Sports Science, Kannur University. So practical application of YAMA and NEMA for personality development. This paper was presented at Vivekananda Rock Memorial and Vivekananda Kendra, Kanyakumari. And 16, Yoga for Improving Emotional Intelligence. So this paper was presented at Satyananda Yoga Research Center, Calicut. And 17th is Samadhi as per Yoga Sutra, a review study. This was presented at Center for Vedanta Studies, University of Kerala. 18th, proprioceptor neuromuscular facilitation stretching and yogic stretching for enhancing sports performance, a review study. So this paper was presented at Madurai Kamaraj University on 7th February 2020. So these are the certificates. K. Saheb, whatever the paper I already explained. And this is the MBS Mapad College Yoga Therapist. This is the role of yoga and fitness for life. And this is recent trends in philosophy. And this is Yoga Nidra, an excellent relaxation. And this is yoga therapy for wellness. Health benefits of yoga. Effect of integrated yoga module on psychomotor variables of elderly men. Impact of yogic diet on management of lifestyle diseases. Effect of adaptive yoga program on physiological variables among elderly men living in old age homes. Yoga back to our natural rhythms. And yoga for life. And this is the inaugural ceremony of relevance of yoga in modern times. The Vice Chancellor is inaugurating the function. And yoga as an adjunctive treatment for dementia, presented at Mahatma Gandhi. Yoga for all, health promotion. It's also Mahatma Gandhi. And this is efficacy of Sattvic diet and core yoga postures for better sports performance. The School of Physical Education and Sports Sciences, Kannur. And this is practical application of YAMA and NEMA for personality development. Vivekananda Rock Memorial and Vivekananda Kendra, Kanyakumari. This is yoga for improving emotional intelligence among elderly. This is Satyananda Yoga Research Center, Calicut. And this is a joint seminar by Satyananda Yoga Research Center and Central University of Kerala, in which Dr. Suresh Kumar, Dean Education, is inaugurating the function. And Samadhi as per Yoga Sutra review study, presented at Kerala. And the last one, proprioceptor neuromuscular facilitation stretching and yogic stretching for enhancing sports performance, a review study at Madurai Kamaraj University. So these are the workshops. 2-day workshop on yoga at Kannur University. A 7-day symposium, Integral Philosophy, Yoga, Psychology and Management, Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Pondicherry. And 2 days workshop on counseling in special areas, terminal illness and addiction, is at Manasa Educational Foundation for Mental Health, Shivam Moga. And 3 days workshop as a resource person, theoretical and practical aspects of Yoga Shastra. This is Department of Sanskrit, University of Kerala, Trivandrum. And 2 days workshop as a resource person as preparing scheme and syllabi for yoga courses and yoga training manual for International Day of Yoga. And this is at MG University, Center for Yoga and Naturopathy, Mahatma Gandhi University. And these are the certificate of the symbolism. Aurobindo Ashram, 7 days. And this is workshop on special areas of counseling and launched by Manasa Education and Foundation for Men. And this is 3-day national seminar on theoretical and practical aspects of Yoga Shastra. And this is also 2-day workshop on scheme and syllabus for yoga course. And these are the 3 orientations programs, yoga training for physical education teachers of Southern Kerala. 3 days on 3 occasions. According to the instructions of Directorate of Public Instruction, Department of General Education, Government of Kerala. So this is the certificate. 17/3/2017 and 19/3/2017. 25/3/2017, 27/3/2017. 17/4/2017 and 19/4/2017. And these are the physical education teachers. They are undergoing yoga training, and myself is sitting here on the platform. And this is, they are trying for Paschimottanasana, but most of them could not do. And this is the hip flexibility was not so good, so they are doing the Purna Titali or the full butterfly. And this is the complete group photo of the participant, the physical education teachers who participated in the orientation program, yoga training for 3 days. The column highlighted is myself, and this is the resource person of physical education and yoga. And this is with Ashwati Tirunal Rani, her H.S. Gauri Lakshmi by Travancore Royal Family, Trivandrum, on the occasion of one-day yoga seminar organized by University of Kerala. And this is Ashwati Tirunal Rani, H.S. Gauri Lakshmi Bai. And this is myself delivering a keynote address on the occasion of Yoga Shastra Sangamam, jointly organized by Vivekananda Kendra Kanyakumari and Central University of Kerala in 2019. And myself is on the dais delivering keynote address. It is issuing certificate to the student who presented the paper on the occasion of Yoga Shastra Sangamam, jointly organized by Vivekananda Kendra Kanyakumari and Central University of Kerala in 2019. And this is participated as a resource person in 4th International Conference in Developing Human Values Through Yoga held in 2018, held at Uttarakhand Sanskrit University, Haridwar, and awarded Guest of Honor. The last, I'm sitting in the last row, I'm sitting here. and these were the participants participated in the 4th International Conference in Developing Human Values through Yoga, held in 2018, held in Uttarakhand, Sanskrit University, Haridwar. And details of the thesis guided for the research work. I guided them. So this is Arun PV from Kannur University. Effect of yoga training on coordinative abilities of high school students. Second is Anil M, Kannur University. Effect of yoga on selected psychological and psychomotor abilities of high school students. Number 3, Charlie C. Tharagan from Kannur University. Comparison of personality traits of sportsmen and non-sportsmen in Kannur University. Fourth is Aditya K. from Central University of Kerala. Effect of selected yoga training program on various physical and physiological parameters among Kudumbasari members. Fifth, Akhilal KV from Central University of Kerala. Effect of adaptive yoga program on stress and anxiety among older adults. Number 6, Anju T. She is also from Central University of Kerala. Impact of yoga training on attention and short-term memory of school students. 7th, Dilip View from Central University of Kerala. Effect of yoga training on psychomotor variables among junior athletes. 8, Divya Divagar from Central University of Kerala. Effect of structured yoga program on lung function parameters and stress among middle-aged women. Number 9, Harilal SS, Central University of Kerala. Effect of yoga intervention on positive and negative effect among research scholars of various departments of Central University of Kerala. The 10th is Jishnu P. Biju from Central University of Kerala. Effect of structured yoga program on static balance and perceived stress among middle-aged women. 11th, Rahul VN. He is also from Central University of Kerala. Impact of structured yoga program on physical variables and emotions among middle-aged men. And 12, Vishnu Koroth from Central University of Kerala. Attitude towards yoga among postgraduate students of various departments of Central University of Kerala.